so a lot has changed for Galaxy's Edge. Some more rock work is being put up here, and also there's this like orangish red barrier along the show building for Battle Escape or whatever it's called. I'll put the name here. I can never remember it. It's a really long name. But yeah, they've got like this orange-red bordering all around the building, which I find really interesting. So in Toontown, you can clearly see Galaxy's Edge, like no problem at all. The trees are definitely not thick enough to block it out.